Today I'm going to be unboxing the new DJI Mini for my creative agency. Let's get started. So my agency is going pretty okay. I'm still at around 3,250 a month in monthly recurring revenue. It's telling me to scan this QR code. I'll figure it out later. I got the Fly More combo. Figured it'd come in handy. It comes with extra batteries and a charger and this bag and more stuff. Nice bag. The creative agency is going okay. I'm in this weird situation where I have different potential clients, even though they've verbally said we want to work with you, but they haven't signed anything yet. And it's this weird time between waiting for 3 or 4 people to sign the paperwork and submit the payment for the first month, and it just hasn't happened yet, and it's been 2 or 3 weeks. One of them was out of town and got sick, so I understand, and she says she's busy now. Another one, it's just we haven't gotten there yet. We've set the date up, it's still a week or 2 away from the first shooting date. And then another one is we're just keep going back and forth. So let's get into the packaging. First thing, this is what it looks like a lunchbox. You got, this looks like the remote. But I'm running more ads. I'm creating more Facebook ads. So, different creatives. And they seem to be working well. One of them at the moment, the cost per lead is at $3. 3 people have submitted it or something. So that one's going pretty well. The other ones haven't gotten any people. I don't know what any of this stuff means. This I know is for the phone. Is that to charge it? I don't know. We'll figure that out later. Next, I think, is the drone. But yeah, the new ads are doing pretty good, I think. What else? Yeah, just talking to a lot of people. A lot of different businesses. Here's the drone. When they say mini, they mean mini. This thing's small. This is my hand. This thing fits in the palm of my hand. Oops. Hope that's supposed to do that way. That is a small gimbal. Insane. The Chinese, man. Charge to activate the battery before first use. Should I start it right now and just fly it in my room? I may have just broke this. But yeah, this week's been not a fun one. Just been in my head a lot. I have a feeling my biggest client, the doctor, may leave. She was telling me she was planning on sticking around for a year. Trying it out for a year. And then the other day she sent me a email with the services a different company offers for the same price, but it was all podcasting stuff. And I was we don't are you thinking of doing that? Do you want to do podcasts? Is that something you've been thinking about? And she was I don't really know, I have to look into it more. And I was oh, okay. And I was like, are you thinking of moving over to them? And I don't know, just got in my head. But it doesn't really matter if she leaves or not, because God's got me and I'm not gonna stop. So thumbnail shot. This thing's pretty sick. I always wanted one when I was younger, like 14, 15. Like when these things first started coming out, all I wanted was one. And I never got one because I never thought of anything to actually shoot the video with. But now I have one. I don't know how to take the battery out. It's in the back there, little caboose. There's a big old battery. Takes up the entire interior of it. Oh, what else is in this bag? Some padding. I bet you this is more batteries, and I would be correct. Charger and 2 extra batteries. I don't know how you charge this though. I don't see a single this side. Is it a portable charger? Who knows? Have you guys heard of this show called Outer Banks? Love that show. Might be the greatest show of all time. We got stickers. Are you kidding me? Instructions. Another QR code in Japanese. We're just gonna put that stuff back. Stickers, dog? Are you kidding me? Dude. Yes, sir. Stickers. It's the only important part of anything you buy when it comes to technology is stickers. Apple needs to bring back the stickers. In the future, when I create a physical products company, we're having stickers. Like when I start my car company, each car is coming with like 10 stickers. What else is in this lunchbox? Cords. Silica gel. I don't know what these are in, what these do, but they're in everything. USB-C to this whack charger. Backup propellers and screws. More propellers. Screwdriver. USB to USB-C. USB-C to USB-C. And more silica gel. Okay, so it's a couple of days later. I flew the drone. These are some of the shots I got. I'd say it's really good. The camera quality is amazing considering how small the actual camera is. It goes insanely high. It's super easy to use. And yeah, I've already used it for a couple of clients' videos, mostly real estate. Actually, all of them are real estate. And they've came out really good, so I'm happy with it. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.